Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today it is Sunday, supposedly the day of rest, but usually the time where I get most of my stuff that I need to do done before the new week starts. Had a bit of a lazy morning, well not a lazy morning to be honest, just like been chilling, giving myself a bit of me time. Last night I was actually so productive in terms of my blog stuff. Like I got 3 posts scheduled and that doesn't really happen very often. So there is a new post up today. There's a new post up on Tuesday, there's a new post up on Thursday, and then I'm hoping to get another one up on Saturday and Sunday next week. I just want to get the blog posts out. I want to just put as like 100% effort into it like I used to. YouTube's taken over a little bit because obviously more people watch videos and like visual content like that instead of reading, which is why like I moved on to YouTube to obviously like build up a platform there as well. But I do love writing, like it lets me get all of my thoughts and feelings out. It gives me time to like think about what I want to say and what I want to like what I want like the people who are reading it to feel and take away from my post, if you know what I mean. Like I want to just like inspire other people to be confident, be themselves, reach their goals, like do whatever they want to do in life and not to let other people affect how they feel or stop them from achieving what they want to, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I've got a lot of posts coming up. I do like random things on my blog, so like I do reviews on like beauty products and stuff, but then I also write like really heartfelt posts about my anxiety, my mental health, just things I'm like suffering with or things that I've been through before. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, then maybe go check out my blog if you like a little read every now and again. But other than that, I did all that stuff yesterday. Me and Megan put loads of stuff on our Depops in case anyone is looking for a few new like bargain pieces. I've got lots of new stuff on there and lots of things that have only been worn like once or twice, and so has Megan. And like the stuff that we've got on both of our Depops are like from range from size like 10 to 14. If anyone's interested in checking out our Depops, I'll leave them down below so you can go have a look. Yeah, we spent yesterday doing lots of like work and stuff. Like I was catching up on lecture notes and then we did like Depop, had a nice little chilled night in. We went to the gym. So yeah, yesterday was quite productive as well, to be honest, but I didn't film because I just wanted to get stuff done, whereas today I'm going to just film and get stuff done. I just wanted a bit of a day off from filming, I think, because I just felt a little bit but yeah, here I am. Just come upstairs to do my hair up because my hairband broke downstairs. Me and Megan have just put some washing on. Hattie's on her way home. She had went away for the weekend back home because it was her mum's birthday, which is really nice of her. And Hat's got a new car. Woo! Her mum managed to find a car for her, so she's now going to be driving and stuff, because I don't think she's like driven properly since she's passed her test. So I'm really happy for her that she's got a car now. It's so exciting. I don't think she's bringing it up with her today. I'm sure she'll need to like get used to her car and stuff before she drives it like a really long distance. But yeah, so me and Megan are downstairs. We're just about to do some work. I'm going to make some lunch, I think, first, because I am very hungry. Pitta and hummus all the way, as usual. And then I'm going to get on with some work. I need to do my seminar sheet for the week coming. So I'm probably going to start with that. I think it's to do with like integrals, like integrations and differentiation, but I'm not too sure. Like I'm just assuming because that was what we had our last few lectures on. So I will let you guys know when Meg's just over there updating the calendar. She's crossing off all the days that have passed and gone.
I thought you were talking to me then. I was like, I know what I'm doing.
I know what's going on. Should we have a look what's coming up
For us.
This is exciting because it'll be stuff that I'll be vlogging as well.
Wait,
The 9th. You know what the 9th is?
Oh.
Thor's!
Oh yeah!
Yay! The TP bar. It was coming on the 9th. Oh. Right, so put in my reading week. We've got a quiz tomorrow. Me and Megan are going to the mailbox quiz. Yeah, the 9th is the TP bar. Yeah, it's this week. Oh wait, no, and this Friday, it's the bingo thing as well for the fundraiser, for my thing.
Oh,
so we could go bingo and then we could go Thor's.
Yeah.
That'd be so nice. Yeah, so we've got Rev's bingo coming up because it's like a fundraiser for my musical theatre society, and everyone's allowed to come, like not just the people in the society.
Deadline.
It'll be nice to cross them off though, like when they come around. I've got the Christmas markets here, and then I've got my musical theatre show. I'm trying to think of other things that are coming up. I finish on the 21st, that's so sad.
Yeah, I mean, I have finished there. It's because you get the reading week, isn't it?
Probably. So after a day of working, I've been doing I did my seminar sheet for about an hour and a half earlier, and I haven't even finished it yet, but I've been doing integrations and differentiation, and it's quite difficult, like for me, like with functions and things like that, something that I'm not very used to. So I was on FaceTime to my boyfriend for the majority of that time, and he was explaining it and going through it. Bless him, he had got his little whiteboard out and was going through it all for me. So he's really patient with me, to be honest, and I was actually getting it after a while. I think I just doubt myself a lot, like on answers, when I think I'm doing it wrong, like, and then I just give up, not give up, but I just stop too early because I think I'm doing it all wrong and stuff. But yeah, doing a lot of maths for my professional practice module, which is quite heavily maths based, to be honest, this time round. My ones before had like bits about like court and law and stuff in, whereas this semester it's mainly focused on maths. Like all we've done this semester so far is maths in that module, so it's pretty much just stats. So since the last time I spoke to you, I've just been doing that, and what else did I do? Oh, I just did Megan's study. So Megan and my two best friends who I live with both do psychology, whereas I do forensic science, if you're new. And Megan is doing a study for one of her modules, and I had to just do it for, like, I'm not going to explain it, because basically I've come on here to tell you that if you're from Lincoln and if you're a female student that goes to the Uni of Lincoln, then please just message me, because Megan needs some more people to do her study for her before, like, well, really soon, like within the next couple of weeks. So it'll be really good if you could message and get in touch, because we'd be happy to like come and meet you. I'll come with her and stuff, so we can just chat to you and stuff beforehand. But it's literally like just takes a few minutes of your time, literally like 5-10 minutes, and Megan will explain exactly what you have to do. It's really simple. It's just like writing stuff down, and it's just very simple. So if you fancy getting helping Megan out, because she has to write a report basically on everything, then please hit us up. Reach me on like Instagram, Twitter, like anywhere, or even comment on the video, and I'll get in touch with you. So yeah, that'll be really helpful if anyone can help Megan out. But now I'm just up in my room. I'm just about to do some vlogging stuff, so I'm going to put you on the side. My camera is absolutely fucked. I've been spending the last half an hour trying to sort it out, because it's saying the lens status is messed up, the screen's already messed up, so more things are going wrong with it. I don't know why, because I haven't like misused it or misplaced it or anything. Like, it's in good condition, like it's just suddenly like messing up, which is so shit. But I reckon it's because of the amount of time I use it. So this will be getting sent off very soon. But I have been using my phone a lot more. You've probably realised from the quality drop. But I've been using my phone a lot more because my camera has been so temperamental and I can't see myself when I'm filming. So that's a bit shitty, but as soon as I get it sent off, the quicker it will be back. So I need to get that going. Also, my CBT, I was supposed to get a call on Friday about that. No one ever called me, which is really shit actually, because I thought this is going to be a step in the right direction. Like, I finally branched out and like opened up about how I was feeling to someone. They said they'd put me on this program. I got a phone call saying my first proper CBT thing will be on Friday the 2nd of November. Not even a missed call. Like, I didn't even miss it. Like, do you know what I mean? No, not even a call, like not even a try to help me out. So yeah, I'm very disappointed in that, and hoping that someone will get in touch with me on Monday. But yeah, that's a little update in case anyone was wondering. And now, yeah, I'm just gonna get on with some blog stuff, so I'll pop you on the side, and yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So this is something that I got sent and got yesterday when I wasn't vlogging, and it's basically a rose gold like foiled print that I sent in of me and my boyfriend, and this company kindly sent me it. The brand is called Oh My Gold London. I'll leave it down below in case anyone wants to buy one, but I just thought this was a great gift idea for like Christmas or just any occasion, to be honest. It's very pretty, and I need to get a frame for it so I can pop it in my room. But yeah, you can't really see it properly like on camera, but it like reflects and stuff, and it's really cool. Hello. So just as a little thing, my studio light is downstairs at the minute, so I do need to bring it up. but I use the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera to take my blog photos. I sometimes film with this as well, but this is like my main camera that I use for photos, and I'm just about to take a photo for a brand with an Instagram collaboration that I've got. And I'm literally so happy about this. I'm going to leave the post down below because I'll probably have uploaded the photo by now. But honestly, I'm so shocked with how this product has worked for me. Honestly, this brand is just insane, and I'm so excited to be sharing it, and I'm hoping it helps you guys out as much as it has me, because I feel like I suffer very, very much with periods, and this has just helped me like relieve the pain so much quicker and better than anything else has, like better than medication. So yeah. And it's natural ingredients as well, so woo! So at the minute I have a little flat lay situation going on, so the lighting actually looks really dark, but when I've taken the photo it's actually really bright. And then I will edit photos on my laptop in a second. I'll just like take the SD card out and pop it in my laptop, and I'll use my little photo editor app on my laptop to sort out the photo, and then before I put it onto my phone and Instagram. But yeah, I use this little cute flat lay setup of like what I'd have in my bag and stuff. Right, so I'm now ready to go out with Amy. I have got I'm not really sure if I'm feeling my outfit or not, but I'm going very pink and white all the way from head to toe. I think I'm going to go with this bag. I've just been like trying to decide which bag to go for. It's like first world problems, but I think I'm going to go with this cute little one that I've got from New Look with hooped handles because I love them. I'm just deciding what I need in my bag. I'm getting a taxi there because I think it's the safest way, to be honest. Oh, and every time a firework goes off, so I keep jumping. But yeah, I'm just ready to go out now. I went for like quite a simple makeup look as ever. Like I barely ever go out there on my makeup. I really do want to though, because I want to get back into that stuff. I ordered, me and Megan yesterday, we ordered the Beauty Bay Jordan Lipscomb, one of the Jordan Lipscomb Beauty Bay palettes, Fuego, and I'm really excited to get that, and hopefully I'll like do a little autumnal makeup look with that if people want to see it on my main channel. Maybe, I don't know, because I used to do beauty videos, then I kind of steered away from them because it wasn't like my passion. Like I love makeup, but I just thought there was no point in creating content when there are like MUAs out there who could do amazing makeup looks. But I guess I could make it as part of a series, like just shitty me like does little makeup tutorials for people who can't do makeup. I've just been sorting out some giveaway stuff. I've just been on FaceTime to my mum and then watched some YouTube videos whilst I was getting ready, but I'm actually going to be giving away lots of like lashes and fake nails very soon with one of my friends. We're like teaming up together to do like a little Instagram giveaway, and she's actually giving away an Instax like camera, the ones that print out like the Polaroid photos. So make sure you head over to my Instagram and follow me so you're the first to know when that happens, but I'm sure I will inform the vlog as well. So yeah, I'm just getting the last bits together before I go meet Amy, and I'll speak to you when I'm there. I don't know where we're going, not too sure. Maybe Craft, which is like a new, I think it used to be here, but now it's, and then it went and then it's returned again. It's called Craft, and it's like a nice little bar, and I've never been there before, but apparently they have like really cute angel wing neon lights. I'm buzzing about that. So me and Amy are in Craft. We've just got this litre of rhubarb and we think strawberry gin. We're not really sure, we haven't decided. We've got these beautiful glasses, gold, they've got like a little gold rim, it's peng, and then the bar's behind us. We're on like the first floor, and there's like a cute neon light up there. We all know how I feel about neon lights. Then we've got these little angel wings over here, which we're going to get pics. We're going to get pics of them because we're little Instagram whores. We are. We're like, oh my god, we came in. Oh god, so sad.
Was it, look, wasn't it? Look,
that was good.
How easy was that?
Yeah, see, you were confident. You should start a channel then.
I can start a channel.
Yeah, go for it. Fuck it. What would you call it?
I don't know. What do you reckon I should call it? I'm gonna end up being
Oh, I love your coat. Here we are with 2 litres of gin down, and here we are. We're feeling fine though, aren't we?
I should be more drunk for like me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling fine to be honest.
I'm really like just tipsy. Like,
yeah,
not
so just not like completely yourself.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just in the toilets at Craft. It's actually been lovely, hasn't it? Been lovely here.
You've come again.
Yeah.
Because it's so nice.
Yeah, it is lovely here. We had a bit of a harassment session for about 30 minutes.
You will see in the vlog.
You will see in the vlog before this, but
They were funny, but
they were, they were funny. They weren't like
getting-
rude. They weren't like disrespectful, but they were a bit like intense.
Yeah, they were getting like in my face, and I was like,
Excuse.
personal space.
Excuse. Yeah, they weren't being like mean or like
No, they were funny.
weird, but yeah.
We're gonna take some
Ow.
We're gonna take some selfies in the nice bathroom because you've got to make the most
Yeah.
of the nice bathroom.
Yeah, we've just been taking some pics downstairs with the angel wings as well.
Yeah.
See, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hello.
Hello.
I'm in Amy's room. When was the last time we spoke? It was in the mirrors in craft, yeah. Ended up staying at Amy's last night. A spontaneous little sleepover. It's really nice. In Amy's room, which I felt was so weird yesterday when we came in. Okay, I won't, sorry. But when I came in, I was like, this is so weird because I just see it always on your videos because we like obviously watch each other all the time. And I was like, oh my god, I'm in the room. I'm in the room. And yeah, we just had a nice little sleepover, had some little snacks, watched Celebs Go Dating. And Strictly, the results. We were trying to watch Towie, but for some reason it wasn't going up, or maybe it wasn't even on last night, who knows. I'm sure it was though.
Yeah, it was.
So yeah, we were sad about that, but here we are, ready. Well, Amy's getting ready to go to uni. I need to go home and get ready to go to uni. Yeah, that's about it. We've just been, what have we been doing this morning? Oh, we listened to Ariana's new song. It's amazing. Thank you, Next. Defo listen to it if you haven't already. I feel like everyone will have by now. But it's amazing. And what else? Oh, we're just looking at our horoscopes. We've actually done some random things this morning, like just looked at some random things.
Doing the life of Charlotte and Amy.
Yeah. Oh, and I also looked at my screen time.
My
I hate that new feature on the iPhone when it tells you how long you spend on your phone a week because it's disgusting. Like, I actually feel so baffled with how long I spend on my phone.
No.
Need a retreat. We were saying we need a retreat. Let's go on a retreat.
In Scotland.
Yeah, Scotland retreat where we don't use our phones.
Yeah.
Forever. Yeah, that's about it. We had a really good night last night. Craft is amazing. We definitely want to go there every weekend.
Yeah, every single Sunday we're going to go.
Yeah, every single Sunday you'll see us in Craft.
Yeah.
And we highly recommend the strawberry and rhubarb gin because that was just great.
Amazing.
And we had 2 litres of it.
Amazing.
Long.
We weren't even that drunk, like we were.
No, we're actually okay. Which is good considering I didn't eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know how you weren't more drunk because if I hadn't had that Sunday dinner, I would probably have been like more tippo.
Yeah, definitely. That was weird. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Do you want to say bye?
Bye! Subscribe!
Thank you. Yeah, subscribe to Amy as well.